What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning Laravel. My name is QDS and you guys watching my channel Croywood. Alright, so in the previous video we have done all our loops in our blade. So before we go ahead, you guys go ahead and fire up your Laravel. Just go in your Laravel folder and issue PHP artisan serve to start your Laravel, and you're going to see this our master page. Alright, so what we're going to see in this video, we're going to see how we're going to inject one Laravel page into another, how we're going to extend, or how we're going to say how we're going to extend the pages between each other. Say for example, every page, when you go in real programming, say every page have a, say for example, a header, every page have a advertisement section, every page has a, for example, footer, it has a site section, it has this section, that section, it has a content. So we're going to see all slowly, bit by bit. And before we go ahead, and because we have created a master here, and this master is here, we have issued a lot of layout here. So you guys go ahead where there is original ones welcome, we're going to select everything from welcome, and we're going to delete everything from welcome because we don't need welcome. And the master, we're going to select everything from master. We're going to copy and we're going to move it to, say for example, here at the welcome. Why we move it to welcome? Because we're gonna keep our record, because we don't need anything from welcome, and we already, say for example, we put it here. This one is the same as we put a master. Say we put a master dot, for example, blade dot php. This one is exactly the same as a master, because that's index. Why this is index? Because we have assigned here in our root, we have assigned it here that says the master, the index, this guy is going to be the root, and we want the master page. We have nominated the master page to be the root. So if you guys want to keep a record, you guys can do so, just in case if future, if you need something, you guys gonna come and visit here. So we're gonna close this one, and now here on master we're gonna remove everything here. So because we just want to put a HTML here, and now we're putting HTML, and here nothing's happening. So what we're going to do is that we're going to use for example PHP, and we're going to use the Sublime Text, the HTML here, because we don't want to type it all the time. So here the master, we're going to create our HTML, where is now we're going to see, it says we're going to put a, for example, we're going to put a h1, and I'm going to put a h1, I'm going to put a master page, and we're going to go and see, and you guys going to see the master page here. So we have removed everything to welcome, and if you look in here, there used to be master, and now here it's at the web. You guys need to remove everything here now. So we're gonna copy, and we're gonna put it here. So here we're gonna put a welcome. It means all of this will go to the welcome page. So we don't have any of this now anymore. So this is just for our record. That's it. We don't want because just in case if you guys forget something, so you guys gonna come in, we revisit here, and at least you know that's in settings and master. And once you guys done that, you guys remove all, and we're gonna remove this guys as well, and this guy is gonna be removed as well. So we're gonna bring this one here to the master, and the master is now not gonna issue anything here. The master is gonna be by itself. The master's got nothing, no arrays, so all the arrays here, everything is here. The masters has no role at the moment. So all done. We're gonna save all, and we're gonna check. Why we're doing this? Because we wanna, I just want to show you guys how we gonna extend our for example, our application, how we're gonna extend. So for you guys to understand Laravel, you guys need to know that how we're gonna extend. For example, we're gonna remove this one as well, so we're gonna have a master here. Now you guys go ahead and in your view create another folder, layout, our layout, So your layout folder is created, and we have a layout here, and inside the layout we're going to create another one, and we name it app.blade.php. Okay, so now we have created app.blade. So we try again our HTML. It's not working, so we're going to go on the master, and we're going to copy all this. We're going to copy all this and put it here, and we're going to put this one as a app page, and on the title we're going to say here whatever you guys your website is. For example, my Laravel website title, I'm going to put a my Laravel, or my website title. So now this is going to be your title. Why we're doing this way? Because in the Laravel you guys don't need to repeat this one again and again. Say for example, if this is a Google page or Facebook, you guys only put it once in your title. So here in this guys here, the master is going to extend this one. We're going to put from here, everything from here we're going to extend it to there. So now this is says app page, and here, and you guys need to put a yield, and you guys need to put a content. Okay, so now yield is a directive that we're going to identify the name of the section that should be embedded into the template, and it's a content. It means we want our content inside the body. So how we're going to inject this one, and keep in mind we have here a title. Every time you guys want to put your title, you can just put a yield and a title, and then your website title is going to show up in every page. So here you guys are going to put a my site, and you guys need to put a my site, and here you guys need to put a at yield, and what you're going to put at yield here, and you're going to put a title. For example, you guys going to put a title, and what's title? For example, you guys going to put a main page, and you guys can put a page. Our you can put a home page, our index page, whatever. Now here you already define your title inside the app, and here you guys going to put a yield. It means all the content is going to come here, and that one sits inside the layout. And here, now you have master, which going to show it here to the users, to the public. So here, keep in mind this one's app is going to sit behind the scene and is going to control everything here, whatever happens here at the front. And here you guys need to put extend. So you guys need to extend it. So we put extends with the S, and you guys need to put a layouts dot app. So now we put a yield. Keep in mind we just put a yield here because we want to inject all the contents here. We didn't put anything here, and now we put a yield for the title because we want the title, and now we put extend layouts because we want this layout extending this one from here to here, all this layout, and we have our own message which is the master page. So now you're gonna put out the section content. We're gonna put a at, we put a section, and inside this one section we put a content. And here you guys don't forget to put your at end section. So you guys don't forget to put end section. Now you have here we have content inside this yield, and we have a section here which have also content. It means we want the content here. So you guys have your master page, and you guys gonna put it here. You guys gonna put your master page, and you guys can put a P, some sort of paragraph, and we can put a P, another P here, and you guys gonna show, for example, this is the wonderful main page of my website, which I built in Laravel. Okay, so we're gonna save all. So we're gonna see here now. I'm gonna repeat again. We have built the app layouts here, and we have put a yield of the content. We put a website title here. Now here we put a my site yield title main page, and here we put a section, and we extending this one, and we put a section master page, and that's what we're gonna output here. So we're gonna run, and we're gonna refresh, and you're gonna see here we're gonna see app page, and we're gonna see master page, and we're gonna see this my wonderful. So that this is coming from the app page. This is coming from the app page because that's all our content here. And keep in mind, looking here, it says my site main page. So looking here, we have put a my site, my website title. My website title is not showing here, and because it's showing main page here, it says yield title, whatever the title here. If you can't find title, then you put a my page. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now here it says layout. We're gonna extending the layout, and the layout's got this guy here, app page, and you're gonna see app page here. Even though we are not showing the app blade, because in our route, if you're looking in our route, we are extending them. We are showing the master, so we are showing this page here. We are not showing the app, but you still hear the app because it says app page, and then it says master page, and then it says that my whatever we type here, wonderful main page. So that's how the yield work, and you're looking here, that's how we extend in yield work. Alright, so how about we inject say for example a little bit more. For example, now we have put a extends layout, the app.layouts, app.blade, and we have a section. We going getting content from here. So how about if you're gonna come here and, for example, we put a add section, and then we put a, for example, footer, and here we just put a show. We put a show, and in between we put a, for example, nice message. This is our we just put a P, and if you put another P here, and we put a this is for our website. This is for our website footer section. Okay, so now keep in mind, I'm here at the app, so I'm using the section, and I'm using the show directives here. I'm issuing command section footer, and I want to show this message, but I want to show this message here where I want to show it in a blade, in master. So even though I have described it here, but I want to show it here. So how I'm going to show the easiest way is for you guys to put this one yield, and what you have, you put the name is the footer. So if you look in here, copy this name, and you can put it here. So if you come here and save all, you're going to see inside your master, you're going to see this is our footer website section. So what did we just do here? We just used our yield content, and we in the app, which is sitting behind the scene and controls everything. It's just like a king and queen sits here in the palace, but these guys here are the front of the, say there are soldiers here, they're taking orders from these guys here. So yield and a section, I'm just telling the Laravel that look, I have just put the yield, just put everything here. Yield is just like a show. So yield, section, in the show, it all means the same. It all show you the content regardless of so I put it here, I put a content here, and I'm doing yield again. I'm doing extends, for example, and I have a section is content, and I have a yield, which I'm gonna show this footer here, whatever the footer here, and I just show means that show something here to the user. Sections also means show this section. Yield means yield to show this content. So yield, section, and show means all the same, because we're injecting according to the blade template. So what the blade template says, that you can inject one blade to another one. So that's the beauty of that's the beauty and power of the blade. That's what everyone uses blade, because we can inject the page from one page to another. Here I'm just telling that Laravel does show me the title, show this title to the user. So we're getting this one shown, and this is coming from the app, and this is coming from the master page, this is coming from the master page, this is coming from the app. So looking here, we are interconnected this one, injected to in these pages to each other. That's what in Laravel app template we say we extending the page. So we are extending this one to this one. If you know programming in C++, or Java, or PHP, we have a base class, and we have say for example child class, our derived class. So this class extends this one. So now here we are already defined this one, and we put a page, and we put a yield content, and we put our section footer, and here we just yielding this one, the footer. We just putting the section, we yielding the side. So at the end of the day, the yield and the section and this show is all the same. Keep in mind, don't be confused, they all have a different meaning, but with this one you can show the content, with this one also, with this one also. So yield, section and show, they're all the same. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, Crywood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.